Hey guys, Chris here from Solarproof, and I wanted to go over our items pricing builder feature in Solarproof today. The pricing builder can be found in your main user menu up the top right here. So if we click that and we click settings, then as long as you're an admin, you should see this system pricing tab. So when you click on system pricing, you'll see the price builder. Now this is going to help make your pricing a lot more streamlined and hopefully save you time and make you some more money. So the way it works is we create new price items with this section here. So for example, if we want a 30% profit margin on let's say we just have a batch of 12 Jinko 320 watt panels, and cost price, well, I don't know, let's make it $1,200. And so the quantity refers to the quantity of that item. So since we have 12 panels in this one item, we can just use one quantity. If we wanted to make it a little bit more sort of user friendly, we could say Jinko 320 watt panel, and let's use a more realistic sort of a price here. $280, say. That might be a bit of a good price, but so you get one panel for $280 and the sell price is $364. And if we're happy with that, we save that as our new item. Now we could also do the batch of 20 and make that $5,600. Save that, and there we have it. Now you can do as many of these as you like. Let's make one Fronius 5 kilowatt inverter. You can put the model number or anything you like in there, and we'll say $2,000. We'll say 10 hours installation labor, whatever you like, $5,000. Now from here, now that we have some price items, well, let's add one more. So MISC electrical components, 5 kilowatt system, $500. So now we have some items in here. We can build up a system out of that. So if we wanted to build our, what is that, 20 panels. I mean, this is not going to be a real system, but you get the idea. So we can add 20 Jinko panels, 5 kilowatt inverter, some labor, and MISC electrical just by clicking these here. And now we can call that our Fronius Jinko 320 watt 5 kilowatt solar system. And now we save that system, and in our saved price systems you can see it here. So the total price of that system is going to be $17,000. It's a little bit hefty for that system, I think, but anyway, everything's in here. And if you need to adjust anything, you can double click on things to adjust them. Typically I wouldn't recommend probably adjusting this because it's not going to affect your sale price anyway. But on the price items here, you can adjust you can adjust these items and to edit them instead of adding a new one. Okay, so that's it for the pricing, system pricing builder. Now you might be wondering, well, how do I use this? Well, once you have all your items in there and you're happy with them and you've built some systems off it, if you like. So building systems is an optional step as well, I should add. You could actually just do a whole full system as an item, if you like, without worrying too much about each line. But the building the actual systems off line items is a nice feature if you want to provide like itemized quoting for your customers, or if you want to keep track of how much profit you made on each item and how many sales you won and that sort of thing. That's going to be integrated shortly. So anyway, in order to use this pricing in your solar proof projects, we need to have a look in here. So when you are making a project, you finish making it, you need to come into solar system pricing, click this little hammer here, which has got the price builder in it. And now you'll see you have system pre-builds. You have your Fronius Jinko. That's the one we created, right? So we can click that, add the system. It's done the pricing for us. It's added all our items. And we can even add maybe another extra Jinko panel if we like, and it'll do all the calculation for us. So as you can see, if you didn't want to do system pre-builds, you can just create items as systems and add them in like as one line. But there's probably not a great deal of point in doing that unless you have a big team and you want to keep track of the different system pricing without having to use actual itemized pricing. You could do it that way. And then that way your team can just come in here, add the system that they need, and they don't have to think about how much it's costing. You can manage that in the admin account of Solarproof, and they can just add the systems and you're good to go. Okay, I hope you get something out of that, and look forward to seeing you next time.